So you want to be a data analyst? Congratulations! You have chosen a lucrative, geographically flexible and super secure career that is only going to blossom in the years to come. Voted as one of the most promising jobs of the 21st century by the Harvard Business Review, the field of data science is one of the most sought-after domain by a variety of professionals from different backgrounds. Specialist data analysts lie close to the top of the food chain with healthy salaries and benefits. So who is a data analyst? Well, all a data analyst does is to take data and use it to help organizations make better decisions. A data analyst acquires specific information about a topic and then analyzes it, interprets it, and presents it in a comprehensive report. Many different types of businesses use data analysts to collect and analyze data. As experts, data analysts are often called upon to use their skills and tools to analyze data, to provide competitive analysis for the business, as well as identify trends within the industries. A data analyst is similar to a data scientist, but is often not responsible for creating the algorithms used for data discovery and acquisition. Rather than creating their own data projects, data analysts are often found tackling specific business problems using existing tools, systems, and data set. So, what does a data analyst do? A data analyst translates numbers, trends, and trajectories into digestible and accessible information. Businesses collect data, for example, sales figures, inventories, market research, profit margin, logistic, and transportation costs. A data analyst's job is to take that data and use it to help companies make better decisions. Often the main goal of a data analyst is to solve issues that cost the business money and to help the business make decisions for expanding the business. Some examples of a data analyst's basic job functions include estimating market share, determining the price of a new product into the marketplace, reducing price, determine when to hire or reduce the workforce, and of course, the timing of sales. Data analysts are responsible for collecting, manipulating, and analyzing data. Data analysts use systematic techniques, standard formulas, and methods to analyze the relevant information. They then typically prepare reports detailing the results of their analysis. Data analysts might typically prepare typical statistical analysis such as variation and averages for a particular period over a period of time. They also predict yields and interpret the underlying frequency distribution of a set of continuous data. They use the standard method of collection, analysis, and reporting when completing their task. Data analyst always protects the organization's data, making sure that the data results produced are consistent and provide reusable guidance. Generally speaking, a data analyst will retrieve and gather data, analyze it, and use it to reach meaningful conclusions. Data analyst work varies depending on the data they are working with as well as the specific client project. Companies in nearly every industry can benefit from the work of a data analyst, from healthcare providers to retail stores and to food chains. The insights that a data analyst can bring to an organization can be valuable to employers who may want to know more about the needs of their consumers or end users. Regardless of which industry they work in, data analysts can expect to spend their time developing systems for collecting data and compiling their findings into a report to help the business. Analysts can be involved in any part of the analysis process. In a data analyst role, you could be involved in everything from setting up an analytics system to providing insight based on the data you've collected. You may even be called upon to train others on your data collection system. To launch a data analyst career, you need to earn a bachelor's degree in computer science or information technology or statistics, minor or study applied statistics or data analysis, or also take computer science classes that emphasize project management or database management. Many different paths can lead you to a lucrative, rewarding career as a data scientist. Most start at an undergraduate level with bachelor's degree in data science that can lead to jobs such as visualization specialist, management analyst, and market research analyst. From there, many students go on to achieve a master's degree in fields like machine learning algorithm developer or statistician or data engineer. Gain data analyst experience. It is difficult to gain employment as a data analyst if you do not have experience. Interning while in school is a good way to gain valuable experience and will help with gaining insights about additional skill development and training. Even still, most people in technical careers start off at an entry-level positions such as statistical assistant or technician. These jobs will provide valuable on-the-job training and experience. Take as many in-house training classes as possible, especially ones about analytical software programs and big data management. Experience, knowledge, and willingness to learn will help you rise to the level you desire. Internships are a great way to get your foot in the door at great companies. Many data analyst internships will require you to be working towards your degree before applying. Depending on the industry, you will be required to be familiar with Python, R, and SQL programming. Knowing all three is even better. You do need some specific skills to become a data analyst. Like business analyst, data analyst must possess sharp technical skills complemented by strong industry knowledge. They have complete understanding of the relationships that exist amongst the organization's various databases and data sources. They obtain information by using complex query statements and advanced database tools and techniques. Analytical skills. Data analysts work with large amounts of data, including facts, figures, and number analysis. They need to see through the numbers and analyze it to find conclusions. Communication skills. Data analysts present their findings and translate the data into understandable reports or documents. They need to write and speak clearly and be able to communicate complex ideas into easily understood forms. Critical thinking. Data analysts must be able to look at the numbers, the trends, and data in order to formulate conclusions. Attention to detail. Data is precise. Data analysts must make sure that they are attentive in their analysis in order to come to the right conclusion. Math skills. Data analysts require math skills in order to process data. Technical skills and tools. There are many technical skills and computer programs that a data analyst must have to be proficient. A few of these include SQL, XML, JavaScript, Hadoop, SAS, R, Python, and other machine learning programs. How is work-life balance? Well, this is a win-win game here. It's more of a situation where you're at work and then you're at home. It's more about balancing between the two the right way. There's also the increasing trend of more and more employers offering flexi working environment to help the work-life balance situation. The demand for people who are able to analyze massive amounts of data and extract actionable decisions has blossomed. The people who are being hired are highly sought after, so I suspect that they are getting really good offers, and offers that include flexibility in working hours and locations, because there are so many jobs more than there are people. The future looks promising for all you data analysts out there. Yes, according to the forecast of the World Economic Forum, by 2020, data analysts will be in high demand in companies around the world. The employment of computer and information research scientists, including data analysts, is projected to grow by 11% from 2014 to 2024. This is faster than the average for all other occupations. Computer scientists and data analysts are likely to enjoy excellent job prospects because many companies are finding difficulties recruiting these highly skilled workers. There's a clear need for professionals who understand a business need, can devise a data-oriented solution, and then implement that solution. Data analysts are required in almost every field, from government security to dating apps. Millions of businesses and government departments rely on big data to succeed and better serve their customers. Data science and data analytics careers are in high demand, and this trend will not be slowing down soon. Opportunities are immense for qualified experts who will enjoy outstanding perks and generous pay packages. So, ready to crunch some numbers and earn big bucks? If numbers are not your thing, choose something else. Click here.